A lot of people are really put off going to gyms because they think as soon as they walk in, they're going to be surrounded by a room full of 20-year-olds who are all really fit and athletic at the height of their performance. That is really, really wrong, because gyms, especially your everyday gyms, are just full of your everyday, normal walks of life, you know, a variety of different people. So I've put together a list of the different people that you will find in gyms. For example, people with physical disabilities. Many wheelchair users come to gyms because they want to maintain that independence, maintain that upper body strength so that they can get themselves in and out of their wheelchairs. In addition to that, because they're sitting down, they need to maintain that activity levels on their upper body for general health reasons. You will have people who are recovering from injuries. So for example, if you have been using crutches for a while, the one leg, if it's injured, it might not have been able to be used to its maximum potential for a while, and therefore there has been a reduction of muscle mass in that one leg. Maybe in the other leg, because you've been more dependent on that, you've gained muscle on that, and therefore there is a complete muscle imbalance. A lot of people come to gyms to rehabilitate and rebuild that muscle balance. You have people who are just coming for cardiovascular fitness only, people who are very experienced and they are sprinting on treadmills, people who are at the start of their cardio journeys, people who are just building up, so they're just starting off walking, a gentle jog. You will have people who are just coming to gyms in general just to keep active. They're not looking to lift big weights. They're not looking to do anything particularly heavy. They'll just come to gym classes, do a half an hour, very, very light workout and leave. They're still improving themselves and maintaining their health because they're moving. You have people who are developing their fitness for the purposes of their job. So for example, if you work in a warehouse and you're doing physical lifting, manual labor, you might need to build up a bit of strength to be able to lift those boxes. Or for example, if you're working on a checkout and you're doing a lot of this motion, this can create a lot of stiffness and problems in one arm or one shoulder. So it can be useful to come to a gym to balance your body again and to maintain equal strength on both sides of your body. In addition to that, you will have people who are later in life, so 60, 70, 80-year-olds, 90-year-olds, who come to gyms for a quality of life after retirement. It's very easy to shut down once you stop doing the 9-5 and stay at home all day. You lose that social interaction. A way to stop that deterioration is to come to the gyms. So you have loads of people later in life coming to gym classes, doing very light workouts just to maintain bone density, muscle mass, maintain their stabilizer muscles, and to feel part of that sense of community as well. You'll have people who are looking to make changes to their weight, people who are carrying excess pounds, still have those excess pounds and are looking to lose that weight. You will have people who are starting off very, very slim and are looking to gain weight. You'll have people that join gyms for mental health reasons. So because when you join a gym, you're with a group of people that have that shared goal, that shared mindset of self-improvement, it can be really rewarding to have that sense of community, and you can build friendships. You know, you can see community events like community fun runs, you know, or community fundraisers. You know, it helps you feel part of a community and part of a family, and it's really good for stimulating those endorphins and serotonins. So the gym is not just full of athletic 20-year-olds or, you know, just athletes in general. It is full of everyday people, all ages, all abilities, all different fitness, all different reasons. You will not stand out. Remember, the gym mindset is self-improvement. Take your step into that gym because you are improving yourself and you'll have respect for that. If you found this content interesting or helpful, please comment, please like, and please subscribe. Thank you.